In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Calendly. Whether you're managing a packed calendar or simply need to adjust an event to suit everyone's availability, knowing how to efficiently reschedule a meeting is a must-have skill. Calendly is designed to streamline scheduling, making it easy to manage your time and keep all parties informed. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make changes with confidence and avoid any scheduling confusion. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, open your Calendly dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your events and schedules. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see the Meetings section. This is where Calendly neatly organizes all your upcoming events in one place, giving you a clear overview of what's on your schedule. Next, scroll through the list of upcoming meetings and locate the specific event you need to reschedule. Take your time here to ensure you've selected the correct meeting. This step is important because you don't want to accidentally make changes to the wrong event. Once you've found the event, click on it to open the meeting details page. This page gives you all the relevant information about the meeting, such as the original time, date, and who's invited. It's a helpful place to double-check everything before making any changes. Now, look for the Reschedule button on the meeting details page and click it. This action will start the rescheduling process. From here, Calendly will guide you to select a new time for the meeting. You'll see a list of available time slots based on your current availability. Calendly makes this process simple by displaying your schedule in a clear, easy-to-navigate format. If the meeting is part of a round-robin scheduling event, you'll have two options at this point. You can either stick with the automatic selection, which assigns the meeting to the best team member based on availability, or you can manually choose a specific team member. This flexibility allows you to decide what works best for your team's needs. Once you've chosen the new date and time, confirm the changes by clicking either Update Event or Save, depending on the options presented on your screen. Calendly does a great job of making this final step straightforward, so you can wrap up the process quickly. And here's the best part. Calendly will automatically send a notification to the invitee, letting them know about the updated meeting time. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and helps prevent any miscommunication about the schedule change. And there you have it. You now know how to reschedule a meeting in Calendly. It's a simple process that keeps your calendar organized and ensures all parties are informed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.